Whether you're looking for a grazing box for your platter company or, as the name suggests, a cookie box for large cookies, our extra large cookie boxes are the perfect solution. Hi, I'm Mel from Boxed. Despite its name, our cookie boxes are incredibly versatile and aren't solely used for cookies alone. Our customers have found many uses for these handy boxes, such as grazing boards for cured meats and cheeses, displays for craft goods, as well as sampling boxes for varieties of baked treats. The possibilities are endless. The boxes come flat packed, but not to worry, putting them together is super simple, and we'll touch a bit more on assembly later on in the video. The gloss white finish not only looks lovely, but it's also easy to wipe clean because, as we know, getting messy fingers when dealing with food is unavoidable. The sturdy design allows each box to easily stack on top of each other without collapsing, making transportation and displaying your products more convenient. Our extra large cookie boxes let you beautifully showcase your handcrafted designer cookies and other goodies thanks to the transparent viewing window. This window and the handy sleeve also helps protect your product for safe, contactless purchasing. A lot of our clients get extremely creative by adding tissue paper and other craft items to make their products really stand out. They even customize each box by adding stickers of their company's logo to the outside. The white finish allows for endless creativity. As promised, I'm going to now show you how simple the assembly is. We're going to start with the box down here. I'll move the slide to the side, and you literally just go around the outside and you're going to fold in each side. Now it's really easy because you'll see the lines are already there for you, and you're just going to fold on those lines, give it a nice press down. We'll go to each side. Now once you've actually done those 4 sides, you're going to come in, and each corner will have a little area that you can pinch the corners in, and the other corner as well. Then you're going to push the sides down. You're going to come around to the other side and do exactly the same thing. So just pinch the corner in, just make sure you're holding that bit down at the same time, and then it will pop into place really easily. And then we'll go on to the slide. You're just going to simply, again, all these are really easy because you'll see a line there already. So you can just fold on the line again. Same on the other side. You can see your clear window there. You're just going to come around and you'll see that how easily it slides on. And there you have it. So the last step that we've done there is the slide on of the cover, and the best part about it is there's no need for glue or staples. Here at Boxed, there's no need for an account or an ABN, and best of all, we ship all orders express. We've made sure our packaging is readily available to everyone. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, thanks for watching.